Add friends on Discord. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video, and in this video I'll show you the complete process of inviting your friends to join your Discord profile. If you like videos of this type, there are several related ones on my channel. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you guys, so let's get started. I'm already on Discord and there are several options for you to add friends. So you can click here on this icon and share this link with your friends. So you will invite your friends to your server. You can also click here, then on your friends, and you can click below to add friends. I don't have any friends added. You can add them by username by clicking here. If you know your friend's username, you can also share it here by invitation, copy the link, send by messages, and there are several other options for you to invite friends. I'll click on this option here, guys. Find friends. Find my friends who are already on Discord. It will sync my phone contacts. See here who is already on Discord from my contacts. Which method did you use to add friends? Comment below, subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll be going now. Big hugs, stay with God. Thanks, guys.